the equation of a circle that has a radius of 5 and is centered at at 2 comma negative 3. Well, if we can remember the standard form of equation for a circle, it's just x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And if we just plug in our points, where hk is the center of the circle, it's x minus 2 squared plus y minus a negative 3, which is positive 3 squared equals r squared, with the radius is 5, so this is 25. So that's the equation for our circle. But let's say we can't remember the equation for standard equation for a circle. If that's the case, we can use the fact that the definition of a circle is a set of all points the same distance away from a center point. So, and if we use that, we can say that, well, the distance is 5. So 5, erase that. 5 is the distance. Remember, the distance formula is d equals square root of x2 minus x1, the quantity squared, plus y2 minus y1, the quantity squared. All right. So 5 is the distance. That equals the square root of x, some point on the circle, minus 2, quantity squared, plus y, some point on the circle, minus negative 3, which is plus 3, quantity squared. And if we just square each side, so 5 squared, this side squared, we get 5 squared, which is 25, equals square root of this squared is just this, x minus 2 squared, plus y plus 3 squared. And if you graph that, it'll look something like this. So again, we can remember the standard equation for a circle and plug in h, k, and r, or we can, using the distance formula, also find the equation for that circle. Thanks.